Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I am your math teacher Rashi. Today we are doing a fun activity with fraction, and we will learn how the fraction will work and how we will check the fractions. First, let's understand about the fraction. Fraction is defined as a part of something. Here we use two terms. One is numerator and second one is denominator. What is the denominator here? Denominator is the total number of the parts or pieces that equal a whole, one full piece. And the numerator is the number of parts or a number of pieces. So now let's start and do an activity. For that activity you need any bowl to cut a shape of a circle, scissor, and a piece of a paper a paper which should be a different colors, one white and other colors you can take it according to you, and a pencil. So these materials you require to do that activity. So go and bring these materials. Now first step is you have to draw a circle on a white piece of a paper like I'm doing. So this is my big bowl. I'm just making a circle and cut this circle. So I already cut that circle and I have white circle and one green circle and one pink circle. So I have all three circles. Now let's start. First we will divide our circles into four parts. So how we will divide it? So that the shapes lines are equal and it will cut into a proper parts, equal parts. So what I do, that just turn into a half, don't turn it from here, and press this point. You can see you can see a mark. Now turn it and make it a mark over here also. Look, take a scale, make a line. Just draw a line. Look, and make a line here also. As you can see it here, that this circle is divided into four parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this circle also I'm just pressing to mark it equal, but we are not making, look, this mark and this mark you have to match it so that it will gives you a proper piece. Now if you mark it with a light pencil, you will find out the center point of the circle. Okay, now from this side also like this. So this is our circle, center point, center of my circle. So this circle, white circle, I divide into four parts, and the green circle I did not divide, I just want to find out the center point. And the same with the pink one also, I marked it for the center point. And now next what we have to do, we have to cut only one side. So kids, be careful while cutting. Just cut on the one side till the center point. That's it from all the pieces. Look, here it is ready. So now I already divide this circle into four pieces. This is also divided into four pieces. Here I made 8 pieces. I divide this circle into 8 pieces. Now what we will do, we have to join this circle, the green circle and white circle together. Look, how I will join like this, and this is ready here. Okay, now this is ready, and from here pink one is also I'll do this. Now the fraction activity is ready to do a fraction. Fraction is what, as I told you, that defined as a part of a something. So here it is defined as a part of a something. This green one, you can see it is one whole. So it is one whole. If you divide it into a half, let's see, let's divide. You have to simple move it, and slowly you can move it, and you can see your sheet is divided. Look, if you divide into 4 parts, this one part is shaded. That is called, what is the fraction of this? The fraction of this is 1. 1 is the shaded part, that is the numerator and denominator. Denominator means the total number of the parts. The total number of the parts are 4 here, and the denominator is 4, and the numerator means the shaded part. So how many shaded parts are here? Only 1. So this is a fraction of the shaded part. Same will take a fraction of this. As you know that this part is, I cut it into 8 pieces. So here the new denominator is 8, because the total number of the parts that are equal to the whole. Now if again I want to see let me arrange it first. I want to see the shaded part. So here you can see I did it here, shaded part. Let me count it. Shaded part. Now like this. Yeah, here you can see the shaded part out of 8 is a 1. The numerator is 1. With the help of this activity, you can observe and compare the numbers also, compare the fraction also, which is greater and which is smaller. Look here, this 1/4 is greater than the 1/8. Yeah, now let's see 2/8. You can observe that 2/8, next is 2/8 only. You can observe that 2/8 is equal to the 1/4. This is an equivalent fraction. So with the help of this activity, you will learn the equivalent fraction as well as you can compare the fraction also. Okay, I hope kids you enjoy this activity. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.